Yes, yesterday I'm cooking a bulldog, the cheese, the yellow one. I put in the video and also the shin ramyun. But I like the shin ramyun because the taste soup and very spicy. In the bulldog, I like the red color, the yellow one or the orange. What do you think? I think they like the very cheesy is the orange. Yes, is that cheese the orange or the yellow? Me, I like the red one because it's very spicy.